Hello guys, good afternoon everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about the series circuit. Here is a given problem. Yung total voltage is 100 volts. There is a resistor 1 is 25 ohms. Resistor 2 is 50 ohms. Resistor 3 is 25 ohms. Solve for R total. Solve for I total. Solve for current 1, current 2, current 3. Solve for voltage drop E1, voltage drop 2, voltage drop 3. Step 1, redraw the circuit. Here is the series line. Resistor 1 is 25 ohms. Resistor 2 is 50 ohms. Resistor 3 is 25 ohms. This is a positive terminal. This is a negative terminal. Yung total voltage niya is 100 volts. Basic Ohm's law. Formula. Triangle is E stands for voltage, I stands for current, R stands for resistance. To find voltage is equal to current times resistance. To find current is equal to voltage over resistance. To find resistance, R is equal to voltage over current. Characteristics of a series circuit. Total resistance is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus Rn. Total voltage is equal to voltage 1 plus voltage 2 plus voltage 3 plus voltage N, and so on and so forth. Solve for total current is equal to current 1 is equal to current 2 is equal to current 3 is equal to current N. Total power is equal to P1 plus P2 plus P3 plus P4 plus Pn. Solve for R total. R total is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Yung resistor 1 natin is 25 ohms plus resistor 2 50 ohms plus resistor 3 25 ohms. Yung total resistance niya is 100 ohms. Solve for current, total current. Given total voltage is equal to 100 volts. R total is equal to 100 ohms. Total current is equal to unknown. To solve, total current is equal to total voltage over total resistance. Yung total voltage natin is 100 volts over 100 ohms total resistance. Yung total current natin is equal to 1 ampere. Solve for R total. Given R1 25 ohms, R2 50 ohms, R3 25 ohms, R total is unknown. Solve R total is R1 plus R2 plus R3. 25 ohms plus 50 ohms plus 25 ohms equal to 100 ohms. Note, in series circuit, the characteristics of the total resistance of a current is added to each resistor, meaning R total is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus Rn. Solve for I1 and I2 and I3. Given I total is equal to I1. Note, in series circuit of the Ohm's law, that the total current that flows in the circuit is the same, meaning total current is equal to I1 is equal to I2 is equal to I3. Yung total current natin is 1 ampere. Yung I1 is equal to 1 ampere, I2 1 ampere, I3 1 ampere. Solve the voltage drop. Voltage drop 1, voltage drop 2, voltage drop 3. Given R1 is equal to 25 ohms, R2 50 ohms, R3 25 ohms, current is 1 ampere, current 2 is 1 ampere, current 3 is 1 ampere. Solve for voltage 1 is equal to current 1 times R1. Yung ampere natin is 1 ampere, yung resistor 1 is 25 ohms, yung voltage natin is 25 volts. So solve the voltage drop 2 is equal to I2 times R2 is equal to I2 natin 1 ampere times R2 50 ampere at 50 ohms. Total voltage sa voltage drop 2 is equal to 50 volts. Yung voltage 3 natin, voltage drop 3 times is equal to current 3 times R3. Yung I3 natin is 1 ampere times 25 ohms. A3 is equal to 25 volts. Solve for the total voltage. Note in series circuit, the characteristics of the total voltage is added to each resistor, meaning total voltage is equal to E1 plus E2 plus E3. Given E1 is equal to 25 volts, E2 is 50 volts, E3 is equal to 25 volts. Solve. Total voltage is equal to E1 plus E2 plus E3. Yung voltage 1 natin is 25 volts plus voltage 2 is 50 volts plus voltage 3 is 25 volts is equal to 100 volts. Solve for I1, I2, and I3. I1 is equal to voltage 1 over resistor 1. Yung voltage 1 natin is 25 volts over yung resistor 1 is 25 ohms is equal to 1 ampere. I2 is equal to voltage 2 over R2 50 volts. Yung R2 natin is 50 ohms is equal to I 1 ampere. I3 is equal to E3 voltage 3 over R3 25 volts over 25 ohms equal to 1 ampere. Step 2, create a table. This is R1, yung voltage niya is 25 volts, yung current natin is 1 ampere, yung R natin is 25 ohms. Sa R2, yung voltahe is 50 volts, yung current niya is 1 ampere, yung resistor niya is 50 ohms. Sa R3 is equal to 25 volts, so current is equal to 1 ampere, yung resistor niya is 25 ohms. Yung total niya is voltage 100 volts, so current is equal to 1 ampere because in series circuit all that flows is the same result. Resistor is 100 amperes total natin. Bible verse of the day, John 3:36. He that believeth on the Son hath everlasting life, and he that believeth not the Son shall not see life, but the wrath of God abideth on him. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated ka sa next videos na akong i-upload. Thank you for Thank you for watching, guys, and God bless. To God be all the glory.